Alright, hello guys, welcome back to my tutorial again. So if you have not watched my previous video, please do, because this one is pretty much related and you can learn a lot by watching my previous video. So in this video, if you saw my first video, I've made a little bit of change here. As you can see, I've added some of comments into here. And the first thing that we're going to do in this video is take a closer look into the new HelloWorld program. For those of you who do not know comments are inserted into your code to help better understand your code, of course. But the trick is your compiler will not compile that line. So for example, I have prepared this line of code here, and you need to know that there are three kinds of command that we can use in Java. So here we go. I'm gonna open up the folder again, delete the old class file, and I'm going to shift right click, open command windows here. To compile the file using command prompt, simply type javac java c for java compile, and then your new hello world java file. As you can see, we have successfully compiled the file and the new hello world class file has been created. Now to run the code, we can use java new hello world without the .java extension, and here we have it. New hello world have been run, and we have our line of code hello world, and I'm code anime here, but the comment is not included in the program because the compiler excludes them from compiling. So this is pretty helpful to help other programmers understand your code, and it makes your code much better. And the next thing that we're going to take a look is this one. We have class, and then we have new hello world. This is standard method to create a new class. So we have this class, and then we have this new hello world. This is our class name, and it is initiated with the capital letter between each of them. So it is a good idea to start your file name or your class name with capital letter, because it follows the convention and everyone use it. And the next thing that we're going to take a look is this one. This is our main method. If you are familiar with C or C++, this is the same as main function, except that in Java this is called main method. Both do the same thing, and every Java program needs at least one main method. So we have this here, public static void main, and inside here we have string, arrays, and then the arguments. For those of you who never know what this does, basically if you want to run your program, you can type in any argument that you want to do here. For example, descending. If you have an array of string here and you want to make it in descending order, you can do so here, but I'm not going to show you that, maybe in another video maybe. And yeah, and now you know what this does. System.out.print. So we're taking from the system class to print out text into our command prompt, and then we're going to print another line of text into our program. So as you can see, this we have this backslash n, which stands for new line, and then we have this print and println. The difference is pretty simple. Print line create a new line after this. So for example, I'm going to remove this first, and I'm going to show you what print does first. I'm going to save this. I'm going to press my up button on the keyboard, choosing the compile, and then I'm going to run the software again. Now you see that there's no new line between these two lines of text. So to do that, we're going to either use println, or you can use \n. Another thing that I want to teach you guys is a concatenation. So for example, I have HelloWorld, and let's say I want to add this year, maybe 2016. So what I can do is I can type in 2016 here, and let's see what it does. And of course I'm going to use println because it is simple and nicer. Let's compile the software again, and we're going to see how it works. Now our concatenation works, but there's a trick. Let's say I have 2016 and I want to, let's say, put the month. Today is June. Let's say I did it like this. Now let's see what it does, and I want you guys to take a closer look into it. Now you see here we have this 2016 6. Now what if I want to add the value between those? To do that, you're going to use bracket, just like simple mathematics expression. And I'm going to save this and compile it again. So I'm going to clear this first to make it a little bit cleaner, and I'm going to run the code again. Now you can see it is 2022 now, because 2016 plus 6 is 2022. Alright, and basically that's it for today's video. Please subscribe if you like this content, give it a like if you like it or dislike, and see you in the next video. See ya.